welcome back to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed, and we're back with another Dollar Tree video. We have a lot of new stuff today. I'm so excited. We have $1.25 stuff. We have some $1.75 because you'll see why. Let's get into it. Make sure you're subscribed. So first off, we got this Rusk Being Sexy with Argan Oil shampoo. I've heard great things about this, so I was like, you know what? Let's try it. So I got that. Then I got the Dove Peppermint Bark Body Scrub. This is $1.25 right now, so I automatically snagged that. Then my favorite setting powder is back. I absolutely love this, so definitely scored on that one. I love this stuff, literally. Then we got some pens. These are quick drying and they're just pink and blue. I just love these. These write amazing. So got that. Then everything's falling on me. I did get the Natural Breeze Rose Olive Oil Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. This stuff is, I can't even, like, I love it. And you get a lot in here. Like, this is a nice amount. So this is just the rose olive oil. I have a garbage bag next to me and bag of everything I throw goes into. Then we do have some new fans. These are great for summer, trust me. So I just got the green and blue one. So these are great. Don't have one near me now just because I'm not 80 million degrees. So then we got the lip oil in red. I love this stuff. I don't know what's going on with my voice. It sounds like a recording. I don't know why my voice is all weird. Then by Beauty Intuitions we have Sweet Cocoa. I love this shade. I think it is so pretty. I can get it out of the packaging, which I can never do, as we know. Oh, okay, it's different than I thought. It's lighter than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be way darker. Super pretty. Let's just try it. Okay, yeah, I do like this. I definitely thought it was going to be more brown, but I do like this. So we're going to wear that now through the video. Then we got the lip oil in Daiquiri. Haven't seen it in a while, and I do like this. It's really moisturizing. So, snag that. Then we got the Marie Claire Natural Charm palette. You get a blush, 4 eyeshadows, and highlighter. And I got this because the eyeshadows are not glitter, and I can wear non-glitter eyeshadow. So I picked this up, and I love the highlighter and blush shade. So, got that. Then I got my all-time favorite hair ties. They're the Invisible ones. Then we got some new princess stuff. We got some new hand creams. So this is Nourishing Hand Lotion in Vanilla Rose Cinderella. Then we have the Moana Hibiscus Coconut. Couldn't read it. And my all-time favorite princess is Snow White and Apple. Cute packaging. Then I did splurge and spent $1.75 on these collectibles or Mochi's treats. So I got the glitter donut, which I'm going to open. I saw these at Five Below, and these are $5 at Five Below. So I was like, you know what? Lost my scissors. This actually isn't that horrible of a price for $1.75. Yeah, obviously we loved when it was $1.25. But compared to Five Below, this isn't a bad price. But we got the, oh, be careful, this glitter sheds everywhere. We got the squishy donut. The glitter's everywhere now. And then we got the, I don't even know what this is. It's like a little cake, I guess. This one has glitter. I did not realize how bad this glitter was going to get everywhere. So beware of that. Other than that, they're kind of fun to squish other than the glitter getting everywhere. But can't get out of the packaging either. So, not that one. Yeah, you probably just saw the glitter fly off. Then we have this whole bag of the new Sweet Shop collection. So we have the new Sweet Shop collection. So we got the scented lip gloss and balm, and this is in cupcake sprinkles. So you get the chapstick and the little balm. Then this one is cotton candy, and again, the balm and lip balm gloss. Then we have this one. This one doesn't see, it doesn't tell you the flavor. We'll just clear this. Yeah, didn't realize I got 2 of the grape. I'm considering a grape. I don't know what it is. Then we have the little popsicle one. I'm kind of going off of like the colors, and that's kind of how I figure out. Like these ones say the name. This one's macaroon. I'm so excited for it. Yeah, maybe this one's like cupcake or something. Yeah, they don't tell you shade, but it's still such a cute collection. So I'm not mad they don't say the shade. I feel like you can kind of like figure it out. This one, how cute are these ones? Yeah, they have the same color in every whatchamacallit. And I did not get the nails that came with the collection just because I just didn't need little nails, and they looked so tiny too. So I was like, I don't need those. But that is that new collection. Not like crazy, but cute little things for gift baskets and stuff. But yeah, so that is that. Let's see what else we have. Last bag. So we have these new fragrant room sprays. This is eucalyptus and Neoli. And can we just talk about the gorgeous packaging? These are $150, but so worth it. So we got that. Then I knew I got another squishy toy. So we just got the tie-dye like little dessert. I'm not unwrapping it because I don't feel like getting glitter everywhere right now. So we got that. Then, how cute are these little backpack keychains? So we got purple and blue. And I know there's a pink. I just don't know why. I guess they were out of it. But hopefully I find it. But how cute are these little keychains? So these are $150. But so cute. So got those. Then, while we're on the $150, we did get some new mini drink cup keychains. So this yellow color I'm obsessed with. I love this color. And then this little purple, I don't remember this for some reason. So I got these two. Worth it for $150 because they're just cute. Then we did get some new floss picks. These are pearly white smile polish floss sticks, 100. Helps polish and maintain a clean, radiant smile. So I was like, okay, let's try these. So we got these ones. And we did get another one. These are by Pepsodent. And they're the Complete Care Disposable Floss Picks. And I like when they come with like the little end for, like it folds out and you can get into deeper areas, and you get 75 in here. So not bad. So random hygiene find. Then we did get a new nail polish by Marie Claire. This is a Mocha Mousse. How I'm obsessed with this color. So we got that. After my surgery, I'm definitely painting my nails with this color. Then we got the Global Beauty Care Jade Gel Cream Moisturizer in the Balancing. I haven't seen this in forever, and this is probably one of my favorite collections from Global Beauty. But typical packaging, just their green packaging. So we got that. And then by Global Beauty Care, we got the glowing serum because, again, favorite serum. So I got that. Then we got the Lee Mercier Shape Defined Brow Pencil in Deep Brown. I'm so excited. I haven't seen these in forever, and these were fantastic. So snag that. Then we have some new lips. So we have the Be Pure Cooling Lip Serum with hyaluronic acid. I can't say it. So we got that one. Then we got the Exfoliating Lip Serum. And this one's peppermint. That one was mint. And the hydrating is cherry. These are a great deal for $1.25. Then we have some new Be Pure lips. So this one is in petal. Bougie packaging. Then we have berry. And the last one is rosy. So definitely all different shapes. Yeah, high shine lipstick. Definitely all different shades, not shapes. But that is this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely found some goodies. Definitely still on the hunt, but after my surgery, I'm out of the count for a while, so we'll see what happens with shopping. But for now, pretty stoked with what I have to go through and sort and make gift bags and stuff how I can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you guys are on for. I should be on for, and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.